The Vivo iQOO Z10R is a mid-range smartphone from Vivo's sub-brand, iQOO, and was launched in India on July 24, 2025. It aims to offer a strong balance of performance, design, and camera features at a competitive price point. Here are the pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. For pros, premium design and durability. The quad-curved AMOLED display and a slim profile give it a premium feel, while the IP68/IP69 rating and military-grade certification make it highly durable and water-resistant. Excellent display. The 120Hz AMOLED panel is a major highlight, offering vibrant colors, high brightness, and a smooth viewing experience for both multimedia and gaming. Capable cameras. The 50MP primary camera with OIS and the 32MP selfie camera with 4K video recording are significant advantages, especially for content creators and vloggers. Solid performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset provides a reliable and smooth experience for daily tasks and gaming, with a dedicated cooling system to manage heat. Massive battery life. The 5,700 mAh battery is capable of lasting over a day with moderate usage. Dedicated gaming features. The phone includes features like bypass charging, which helps keep the phone cool during gaming, and a graphite cooling sheet. It also has an AI game voice changer and 4D game vibration. For cons, slow charging speed. The 44W charging speed is relatively slow compared to other phones in its price segment, which often offers 67W or faster charging. Camera limitations. While the main and selfie cameras are good, the lack of an ultra-wide-angle lens on the rear is a notable drawback. The 2MP secondary sensor offers limited utility. Older storage type. The use of UFS 2.2 storage is a bit of a letdown, as many competitors in this price range have moved to faster UFS 3.1. Software bloatware. The FunTouch OS May 15th come with pre-installed bloatware, which is a common issue with budget and mid-range phones. For special features. 4K vlogging-ready cameras. The iQOO Z10R is specifically marketed for content creators, with both the primary and selfie cameras supporting 4K video recording with stabilization. Aura light. The rear camera setup includes an Aura light that provides gentle, glare-free illumination for better portrait shots, especially in low light. Bypass charging. A great feature for gamers. This allows the phone to power the device directly from the charger, bypassing the battery, which reduces heat generation and prolongs battery health during long gaming sessions. High durability ratings. The combination of IP68/IP69 ratings and military-grade shock resistance makes the phone exceptionally durable for its price category. AI features. The phone incorporates various AI features, including AI Erase 2.0, Photo Enhance, AI Screen Translation, and Circle to Search, enhancing the overall user experience. Overall conclusion. The Vivo iQOO Z10R is a compelling mid-range smartphone that successfully delivers on its promise of being a capable all-rounder. Its main strengths lie in its premium and durable design, an excellent AMOLED display perfect for media consumption, and a strong focus on vlogging with its 4K, capable front and rear cameras. For users who prioritize a robust build, a great screen, and reliable daily performance, the iQOO Z10R is an excellent choice. However, the phone is not without its compromises. The slower charging speed and the absence of an ultra-wide camera are the most significant drawbacks. Despite these, the inclusion of special features like bypass charging and military-grade durability makes it a very attractive option, particularly for gamers and users who need a dependable and feature-rich device.